Hey, guys, hope you all are living your best lives. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Consultant Mindset, which mainly provides consultancy and guidance for everyday living. Today's topic of our video is the power of knowledge. Knowledge means acquiring information and descriptive skills or facts. Education mainly revolves around getting information about a specific fact or situation. In a primitive era, people were not well aware of anything. There was not any development in the fields of medicine, agriculture, and technology. But after some time, knowledge has provided a basis for humanity to establish their ways of life. Knowledge has many benefits. In this video, I will list some of the advantages of gaining knowledge. Let us get straight into it without wasting much time. Before that, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel Consultant Mindset. Build character. Knowledge is the basic foundation of building one's character. Gaining information about some basic facts and things comes in the area of knowledge. Seeking and gathering knowledge from our teachers and professors not only polishes our personality but also helps in building the character of a person. Knowledge allows people to distinguish what is right or wrong. In the ignorant era, when people were unaware and unenlightened, they knew about nothing. They used to kill their daughters and used to bury them alive. Only a few people were well aware of the righteous deeds. After ages, when revolution was brought up, it made people realize that they were at mistakes, and they were always doing the wrong thing. It helped them to become mentally and spiritually strong enough to handle situations. Building character involves speaking the truth always, no matter how tough the situation is. Past experiences of our ancestors made us learn that having information about a certain topic or thing is necessary to make a judgment about it. Increased rate of innovation. Acquiring knowledge lets you invent things. Sticking to the same knowledge over years does you no good. You have to be versatile and dynamic enough to seek knowledge from different sources. Information gathered from different sources like television, newspaper, and the internet increases your knowledge on a certain topic. For example, by studying different articles on physics, people can increase their knowledge in the field of technology. Increasing knowledge in the field of physics lets scientists develop innovative ideas. Just as now our scientists have developed cars that run on water, causing no pollution at all. Tesla, one of the remarkable companies, claims to be the best in making advanced technology. People have established many ways to access information about space and galaxies. This is all the provision of knowledge. Without it, they wouldn't be able to get to know them. Better communication. You guys must have seen that people with limited or no knowledge are less aware. And they are ignorant most of the time. They argue with people based on their little knowledge. It is said that little knowledge is always dangerous. Acquiring knowledge not only opens the door of various areas to people, but it also helps them to get a holistic approach. As knowledge has many areas that lie in the spiritual, moral, and physical aspects. Many things explained in science have a major basis in religious books as well. So we can extract that knowledge through a holistic approach. There are no boundaries of knowledge. Knowledge not only helps you get the best personality but also grooms other aspects of your character. Being a better person at communicating with other people is also a result of gaining knowledge. Only people with a vast amount of knowledge can carry and win an argument. To win an argument, one should have enough knowledge of what he or she is going to explain to the audience. Solid points and proper research can only make you win a discussion. So it is necessary to gain knowledge in every area of life. Concluding my whole scenario, it is clear that knowledge is the only thing to distinguish an ignorant person from the wiser one. Knowledge is the only tool that cannot be snatched or taken in any way. Knowledge is the only weapon that can revolutionize civilization. Knowledge is the only tool that can make rulers rule over nations. As Napoleon said, "You give me educated mothers, I will give you educated nations." From this article we can analyze the importance and benefits of knowledge. That's all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye bye.